Everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Sorry for the background noise. I'm cooking dinner as we speak. Yeah, I know I do multitasking. But I do realize now that it's 1 week to go. Well, next weekend. I'm leaving for Stockholm tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. On next Sunday, and we'll be heading to Dublin the next day. So on Monday it's a week. And I did have some kind of a scare earlier today. Uh, the hostel that I have booked for my days in London, they wanted me to prepay the hostel, and they couldn't validate my credit card for some reason. So, if I didn't update it, they would cancel my booking. But that's all fixed, so that's good. And while thinking about it, uh, I'm getting kind of nervous, if you know what I mean. But then again, I always get kind of nervous every once in a while before a trip. So I will be working next Saturday and leaving Sunday evening. So I won't. I think I won't get much sleep that day. Hopefully I will get some sleep, but and that's all I have to say really. I did have a scare, but it's fixed, and I'm longing for the trip next weekend. So if you liked the video, you can give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you're new, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.